Hello everyone and welcome to the Photographer's Bulletin. My name is Captain Ojas and I'll be taking you through all the happenings in the world of photography this week. So let's jump in. Panasonic has announced the Lumix GH5 Mark II, which is basically an upgrade version of the GH5 Mark I that was launched in 2017. The camera has several notable improvements on both the hardware and software side and feature a new system that makes using it as a webcam remarkably simple. According to a new report, Nikon is working on a retro-inspired camera which will be based on the framework of the DF camera body, and it could be here as early as in June. The wait was finally over for Pentax fans when Richo finally launched the most awaited upgrade to the Pentax K3. It will be named as the Pentax K3 Mark III. The very compact and powerful Tokina SZX super telephoto lens, which boasts 400mm f8 reflex manual focus, is now compatible with Canon RF and Nikon mount. FIMI, which is a part of Xiaomi's ecosystem, has recently launched a mini drone which is believed to be a direct competitor to DJI's mini line of drones. So these were all the happenings in the world of photography this week. For more updates, stay tuned, same time next week. Until then, stay safe and click with me.